Hello, I'm Julianne. I'm your teacher this year for word processing, and this video is to show you how word processing is assessed and what we will be covering over the year. So it's QQI level 5 module 5N1358. We have quite a short year this year. Term 1 is 10.5 weeks, term 2 10.5 weeks, and the last term is 3 weeks. We've got 2 breaks in term 1 and 2 breaks in term 2. We have an exam before the Christmas break, week commencing the 14th of December. We'll also get half the project done before then. And then when you come back in the new year, we'll have another exam, and that will be the week of St. Patrick's Festival. And we will also get the rest of the project finished. It's quite straightforward. It's broken down like this. Project is 20 marks, exam is 40, and the other exam is 40. You'll be assessed out of 100 marks. If you get between 80 and 100, it's a distinction. Over 65 to 79, it is merit. Over 50 to 64, it's a pass. And under 50, you'll be unsuccessful in that module. So just to break down the project a little bit further, you are assessed 20 marks, 10 for the uses of features of Word, 10 marks for the mail merge and labels. And you can pause the video and look at the details of that if you like. Moving on to exam 1. You'll be assessed on text processing, which will be 14 marks, and it's broken down like so. Document configuration, 4 marks, broken down like so. Proofing, can you use spell check, for example, 4 marks. Graphics, can you put in a picture, can you change the picture, 6 marks. Printing, we will be printing to PDF when we're online, and if you're in a classroom and you want to physically print, you could do it in the classroom. That's 4 marks. And the last of the exam 1 is using a template. Create one, store one, get it back, can you finish it, can you print it? That's how the marks are broken down for exam 1. So you can see how easy it is to get all of your marks. Exam 2. It's broken down again, document configuration, headers, footers, page numbers, all very important. File management, can you create folders? Can you save in different formats? Broken down like this, 8 marks. Proofing tools, again, this time using the thesaurus or the editor. Tables, 8 marks, broken down like that. Can you print something before and after changes, and then you'll be learning about doing screen captures and print screens and putting them into Word to show the different skills that you have acquired over the year. Track changes and resources. And that's the final way that you're going to be assessed. So just go back up. So that's how it's broken down. And don't worry if you're just looking for a pass, if you want to just get over 50 marks, it will be straightforward for you to do that. And just a little bit more effort, you can get yourself a distinction or a merit. And I really would encourage everyone to try to go for a distinction. But if this is a subject that it causes you a lot of stress, and you're just happy with a pass, then you know all you need to do is 50 marks or above, and hopefully by the end of exam 1 and the project you will have passed the module. So I will update you as we go on throughout the year how you're getting on and what you need to do to get a pass mark. And those of you that are looking for a distinction, I'm happy to help you to show you where you need to get that distinction as well. Thanks for listening.